Every year, 100 million trees are lost globally, a staggering statistic that symbolizes our relentless deforestation crisis. In the next few minutes, we'll explore the hidden impacts this loss has on our planet and what we can do to reverse it. Stay tuned for a solution that could change everything. Each year, a staggering 100 million trees vanish from forests around the globe, a loss so immense it's like erasing the entire country of Greece from the map. This shocking rate of deforestation wreaks havoc on ecosystems, displacing countless species and accelerating the already dire effects of climate change. The question is, what fuels this relentless tree loss? The answer is both sobering and shocking. Agriculture, logging, and urban expansion are the main culprits. Agricultural practices alone account for a staggering 80% of deforestation, transforming lush landscapes into barren fields. But this catastrophic trend isn't just a statistic, it's a ticking time bomb for our planet. The consequences are monumental. As forests fade away, we lose essential biodiversity that sustains life on Earth, disrupting delicate ecological balances. But what happens to the climate when these vital trees are gone? Let's dive into the next chapter to uncover the alarming consequences. Deforestation contributes a staggering 10% of global greenhouse gas emissions, further intensifying the climate crisis. Trees are nature's lungs, tirelessly absorbing carbon dioxide and providing us with life-sustaining oxygen. When these majestic giants are felled, the carbon they once stored is unleashed back into the atmosphere, fueling the relentless march of global warming. But here's what you might not know. The heartbreaking loss of trees doesn't just impact carbon levels, it wreaks havoc on rainfall patterns, triggering devastating droughts in some areas while unleashing catastrophic floods in others. This dangerous cycle threatens millions, particularly in vulnerable communities already on the brink. As we grapple with increasingly extreme weather events, hurricanes, wildfires, and heat waves, the stakes could not be higher. Our planet is at a tipping point, and decisive action is crucial. What are the effective actions we can take to mitigate this crisis? Let's explore the next chapter and see how people are fighting back. Around the globe, countless organizations are championing reforestation, aiming to plant billions of trees in the coming years. In a stunning display of ambition, one initiative in India achieved an astonishing feat by planting over 66 million trees in just one day. These monumental restoration efforts do far more than just reverse ecological damage. They create jobs, uplift local economies, and ignite community spirit. However, planting trees alone isn't enough. We must also focus on safeguarding our existing forests and embracing sustainable land management practices that prioritize the health of our ecosystems. The unwavering commitment from both local communities and government bodies is absolutely essential for propelling these initiatives forward. The stakes are high, and the road ahead is challenging. But how can individual actions contribute to this monumental task of restoration? Let's find out in the next segment. You might be surprised to learn that individual actions can collectively make a significant impact. Every time you opt for recycled paper over virgin pulp, you're not just making a choice, you're saving an astonishing average of 17 trees each year. Picture the transformation if everyone embraced this simple habit. Millions of trees could flourish instead of being felled. Imagine lush forests thriving, wildlife reclaiming their habitats, and cleaner air for us all. But here's the catch. The true battle lies in igniting a global movement, rallying together to pressure corporations and governments to implement meaningful change. From reducing paper waste to championing eco-friendly products, each small step adds up to monumental progress. So, what if I told you the total number of trees lost can be significantly reversed if we commit to action? The staggering number needed to halt deforestation is about to be revealed. To put the deforestation crisis into perspective, studies suggest that planting 1 trillion trees could potentially offset over a decade of carbon emissions. Imagine the sheer scale of this endeavor, transforming barren lands into lush forests, reviving ecosystems that teem with life, and rejuvenating the air we breathe. Trees are not merely a resource, they are the very backbone of our survival, providing oxygen, shelter, and habitat for countless species. By committing to global tree planting and conservation efforts, we can pave the way for a healthier, thriving planet for generations to come. The clock is ticking, and the urgency to act has never been greater. Together, we hold the extraordinary power to revitalize our Earth, beginning with the simple yet profound act of planting trees. Every sapling we nurture, every forest we protect, contributes to this monumental cause. Remember, every action counts. What will you do to be a part of this vital movement? The truth about our trees is alarming, but change is possible. Join the movement and take action today to protect our forests. Subscribe for a number that stops your scroll.